Well, we are hoping to renew and increase our collaboration with industry, which is extremely important for the center, and as well to extract a lot of projects in collaboration with industry for either PhD students or master's students, as our centers has both.
I'm here to show off some of the things that we've been doing and to generate some interest within industry, and also to present and showcase some of the work that we've been doing as part of an industrial project.
Well, we've been associated with Cambridge University and UCL for about 10 years. In fact, some of the professors here founded the company in the early days. So we've used their technology a lot, and we're still interested in the technology they're generating for the future.
We're here to explore opportunities with the CDT, specifically in the area of signal processing and communications.
We have a number of products in our portfolio which have a strong photonic requirement, in particular displays for aircraft. And we're researching some new areas, and this seemed like a good opportunity to engage with a community working in the field.
Well, I strongly believe photonics will change the future, as photonics is almost everywhere now already, and is replacing electronics for a lot of active systems. In a sense, a good example is that photonics is at the core of internet now.
I think it has to be a photonic-based future in order to meet the demands for data rates, which are expanding exponentially.
Well, I think photonics is the way that communications is going to go. It's got a much wider bandwidth than any of the coax or copper type of transmissions. And if we can solve some of the integration problems so that we can get a lot more bandwidth for a lot less money, I think you'll see an awful lot more photonics around.
In terms of the centre itself, today really is a first engagement for me, so this has been a learning exercise, and I'm very glad I came along because I've made some good connections.
One of the functions of a centre like we have at UCL-Cambridge is that they can start to knit together a community again of companies and groups that have photonics expertise, and that's what I'd like to encourage.
The universities are very important to us in two ways actually, in terms of both their research and the people that they train and we collaborate with. So we borrow their brain power as well as their ideas.
I guess more and more companies and academia are working together in a very multidisciplinary sense. And that's where the greatest kind of leaps are going to be made.
It was a really good day, it's really interesting, and we'll definitely be back before the next industry day, and hopefully by the 30th of March to get our project in.
It's very interesting, yes, a worthwhile day.
Overall, I think it's been a good day, it's been a good use of my time. There's been a lot packed into a small space of time, and I'm looking forward to continuing interaction with the centre.
Very useful, I think, from a business perspective, and it's given me a good introduction to the centre, and hopefully it will be the start of a relationship which we will continue.
So we are really hoping that by doing this, we are training the future leader of the field and shaping the future of the industry in the UK and in Europe.